Right. So it was new legislation that was written in response to the pandemic that enabled a lot of these regulations. So regulations related to masking requirements, capacity limits, proof of vaccination, all of those actual regulations were under the Reopening Ontario Act. And they've made amendments to it as it's gone along, and we've tried different steps and exit ramps and all of that piece. But eventually, I think the intent was that when there was no longer a pandemic, you'd no longer need that very specific piece of legislation that was written in response to COVID-19. So the province essentially then indicated today that that they feel that that provincial legislation is no longer or that specific piece of provincial legislation is no longer required, and so set an expiry for it, which would then mean that it's not in effect, and any of the regulations under that act would no longer be in effect. So you wouldn't be able to charge somebody or hold somebody accountable under those regulations because they're not in effect.